All right, time to dig in. Ah! Hi, welcome to In the Kitchen with Ashley. This is your cooking series brought to you by Healthy Columbus and Fresh Food, Fresh Perspective. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a traditional hummus. One of my favorite, super easy, super fast recipes. And I'm showing you a basic hummus. I will give you some ideas at the end. If you want to spice it up a little, do maybe some roasted red pepper hummus, maybe a spinach hummus. This will always serve as your base. And honestly, I love this just as is. One of my favorite little snacks to make for a snack, for parties, to bring to office events, all sorts of things. So let's get started. This recipe only requires a couple ingredients: garbanzo beans, tahini, which is ground sesame seeds, lemon juice, a garlic clove, olive oil, and a little bit of sea salt and cumin. First, you want to open the beans. When I pick my chickpeas, I usually like to look for cans that say BPA free. This ensures that there's limited amounts of extra toxic chemicals leaching out of the can into my chickpeas. Usually when you go organic, they're gonna be BPA free cans. Make sure you rinse your chickpeas well and drain. Before you use tahini, you want to make sure that it's well stirred. So get a knife, dig in, and stir it all up. Squeeze the lemon juice. Don't forget, you'll need to stir up your tahini really well to make sure it's all blended smooth. And then we're going to use a half a cup for the recipe. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to use half a teaspoon each of cumin and sea salt. Now we blend it all together. A food processor works great, but a blender would work just fine. Now you simply scrape the hummus into the bowl, and we will top it with some garnishes. One of the reasons I love this recipe is it's completely plant-based and it has so much fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals packed in. Then I like to garnish it. A little olive oil, you can put a little parsley. I'm putting a little olive oil and some paprika just to give it a little extra flavor and to make it look pretty. And to serve, I love to cut up some pita triangles and cut up some fresh vegetables to use to dip it in, and voila, like I said, perfect snack food, perfect party treat, and this is packed full of nutrition too. I promised you it was super fast, super easy. I also promised you it's super tasty. I can't wait to dig into this as soon as the camera's off. Please remember to check out our Healthy Columbus Facebook page. You can submit requests. If there's something that you want to learn how to cook, I would love to show you how to do it. And thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Take care.